Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Milam County in central Texas until 8:45 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 7:47 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Thorndale, or 9 miles west of Rockdale, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Rockdale, Cameron, Thorndale, and Milano. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.